FEFDY.
How many vehicles are on the road, Danush?
There are many vehicles, Uncle.
Yes, Danush. Here, the data represents the number of vehicles on the road. Data is defined as a collection of information. Abad, count the total number of vehicles on the road.
Sure, Uncle Toma, let me do it.
How many cars are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cars.
How many buses are there?
1 bus. Are there any other buses? No. So, only 1 bus. There is 1 bus.
How many transport are there?
1. There is 1 transport.
How many bikes are there?
1, 2. There are 2 bikes.
How many cycles are there?
1, 2. There are 2 cycles.
How many total number of vehicles, Ibad? Here, datas are vehicles. These datas are segregated as
Cars, bus, transport, bikes, cycles.
we counted each segregate as
6 cars, 1 bus, 1 transport, 2 bikes, 2 cycles.
Now we are going to represent data. Let's perform data counting.
6 cars, 1 bus. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 vehicles, 1 transport. 7 plus 1. 8. 8 vehicles, 2 bikes. 8 plus 2. 10 vehicles, 2 cycles. 10 plus 2. 12. Totally, there are 12 vehicles.
Totally, there are 12 vehicles. Data counting. Counting the total number of objects or elements in a collected data is known as data counting. Let's go to different landmarks and explore about data handling. Kids, we have reached Opera House.
Wow, very nice to look at this beautiful construction.
There are different kinds of fish in the sea. Yes, I can see codfish, mackerel fish, salmon fish,
Uncle,
This is the sound of European birds.
wow, there are gemstones. What kind of stones are there?
moonstone, thuolite stone, amethyst stone,
Let's go to Viking Ship Museum.
These plants are different. Can you name it?
This yellow plant is yellow rocket. Other one is small passkey. Let's go inside the museum and see Viking ship. Kids, can you recall the data we have seen? Can you name it?
We have 5 data:
Seafood,
birds,
gemstones,
plants,
landmarks.
We have 5 data. Now we can segregate the data. We have seen 3 seafood.
Salmon, codfish, mackerel.
Can you count the data?
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 seafood.
We have seen 1 bird.
European bird.
There is 1 bird.
We have seen 3 gemstones.
Moonstone.
Too light.
Amethyst.
Can you count the data?
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 gemstones.
We have seen 2 plants.
Yellow rocket.
Small passkey.
Can you count the data?
1, 2.
There are 2 plants.
We have seen 2 landmarks.
Oslo Opera House.
Viking Ship Museum.
Can you count the data?
1, 2.
There are 2 landmarks.
Data segregation. Segregating the data by grouping similar items together is called data segregation.